Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the freeze. Open Chrome's Task Manager with Shift+S and look for tabs or extensions using excessive CPU or memory. Once identified, select the process and click End Process to free resources. This often restores responsiveness without closing your whole browser. If Chrome refuses to open Task Manager, use your operating system's Task Manager to kill Chrome. EXE, or the tab process. Make sure to note which tab or extension you ended so you can avoid it next time. Once the immediate freeze is cleared, stabilize Chrome by disabling suspect extensions. Go to Chrome, /extensions and toggle them off, then restart Chrome. Next, clear cache and cookies to remove corrupted session data that can cause hangs. This reduces background work and often resolves loading loops. Make sure Chrome is up to date because many responsiveness problems are fixed in updates. Go to Settings about Chrome and apply any pending update. If performance improves, re-enable extensions one at a time to find the culprit. To finish, create a new Chrome profile to test whether your user data is corrupted. Settings People add Person, then see if the issue persists. If problems continue, reset Chrome settings or reinstall Chrome. Choose to keep bookmarks and sync data if signed in to avoid losing important info. Also check hardware acceleration. Disable it in settings if GPU drivers are old and update drivers as needed. If Chrome still isn't responding, restart your computer and try these steps again. This often clears lingering system-level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.